This is one of the most overlooked desert trails in Arizona. It starts with a graffitied silo and ends in some of the best views I didn't expect. I hit the trail just after sunrise, solo, quiet, no idea what was coming. The granite here litters the desert floor, rough, jagged, and glowing in the morning light. At the top of one hill, an old cattle sign reminded me this place had a different life. This area was once full of miners chasing gold, silver, and copper, but the real treasure? Just these wide open views, better than I imagined. Let's see what's out there. The road to the trailhead winds along the edge of the Bradshaw Mountains, low and rugged with silhouettes like a broken skyline. The dirt road was barely carved into the land, loose gravel, switchbacks, and just enough room to make you pay attention. The sky was putting on a show, soft pinks, purples, and streaks of pale blue stretching across the desert like a watercolor left in the sun. There was a pickup ahead of me, moving fast, old, dusty, and kicking up plumes that hovered in the air like smoke from a campfire. I slowed down near a cluster of broken down buildings, wood slats, rusted signs, the bones of what was once a mining town. It felt like the land was waking up, shaking off the night, and I was chasing it. I pulled into the trailhead just as the first real light hit the gravel, and that's where the hike begins. Today I'm doing a different section of the Black Canyon Trail. It's off Bumblebee Road. It's a long gravel road to get here. I'm completely surrounded by mountains out here. The granite catches the light just right. Everything looks sharp, but calm. There's no one else around, and honestly, it's perfect. A single bird cut across the sky, just gliding effortless, like it owned the whole range. So something that really sticks out to me already on this hike, compared to the other section of Black Canyon Trail, is the lack of swallows. So you have to drive up the I-17 and you gain a lot of elevation. And once you hit about this area, all the swallows are gone and it's replaced by a lot of shrubbery and a lot of just small cactus. So you don't see all those really huge swallows anymore. Sometimes the best part of a hike is doing nothing, just sitting and looking up. It's views like this that make the effort worth it. You don't need a summit, just a moment like this. Like this trail? Tap subscribe for the next one. I made it back to the trailhead. Long, quiet hike out in the desert. Just me, the sun, and miles of nothing. Now I've got dirt roads, big skies, and a good ride home. Got my head clear, got my legs tired. Come along next weekend. I'll be back here again.